Hello everybody, I want to make a quick review of the Alpicool CF35. The box is set to 5 degrees Celsius into a 24 volt power supply, and in between I have a power meter. I want to show you now the power and energy consumption. The box was now running exactly 3 hours on 5 degrees Celsius, and the consumption was, wait a second, 1.011 ampere hours or 23.9 watt hour. You see temperature is now 4 degrees and it rises till about 7, and then the compressor starts again. The cycle is about 5 minutes and then around 15 minutes idle. Now, so this is inside, and let's check the temperature. Yeah, the milk is about 2 degrees. Here we have 3 degrees. So it's even a bit colder than expected. The energy I showed you was 3 hours running time without opening the box, and it was already cooled down when I started the test. To show you also is that the box is running in Ecomode. The difference seems to be that the power consumption is a bit less. It's around 35 watt instead of 50 watt. But I will show you the sequence when the box is starting in a separate video. So I hope that video helped you a little bit. Be aware of the situation here. It was kind of best case scenario, so never opened the lid, and everything was already cooled down, and the environment temperature here is around 26 degrees, so not really hot like in a car. The energy consumption might be much higher when the environment is hotter than here. Okay, thank you.